Hello, creators, and welcome to Creating with Miss K. Today, I am so excited to be hosting for the first time, and my two co hosts are so close and dear to me. The first co host is my sister, Angela, over at Crafty Nanas, and my second co host is my sister over from the Daughters of Destiny, Lady Cinnamon. Now, let me just tell you, this is such a coincidence because all three of us are originally from New Jersey. So we are Jersey girls today. So, y'all, we are trying to bring you some wonderful DIYs. Now, I must admit, I am a little bit out of my league because these ladies, they're really bringing it. And I don't know why I decided to do this $10 DIY challenge because I know whatever they make, what I DIY will not even come close. So make sure you go to their channels, check out all the DIYs that they are producing. Go to my channel. Now, I'm more of a decorator, but I do enjoy doing more simpler DIYs. Check out my channel and please watch everyone that's on the playlist. Now, if you are a participant, I want to thank you so much for supporting me in my first time hosting. If you aren't a participant and you're just watching, listen, that means just as much to me, and I appreciate you so much. If you told me you were going to participate and you don't get your video in, listen, I understand. This is definitely not a problem. Sometimes things come up, life happens. So if you didn't do it, hey, there is no love lost. And I'm still going to participate in whatever you do because I'm not like that. I just want to be on this platform, have some fun, and show you what I have and what inspires me and what I like to do. So, on to my video, and thank you again.
These are the items that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I bought three 11 by 14 picture frames, two of their vases. I want to say these are maybe the 9 or 10 inch, and some of their bling wrap. I took the glass out of the frames and let's start working. I'm going to glue two of the frames together. These frames are really thin, so in order to get them strong enough, I'm just using hot glue, but I do recommend E6000, but for the sake of the video, we're just going to use the hot glue to get this going. And I'm going to outline it with the bling wrap. This was a very simple DIY. I love the look once you see what I created, but this is my first time ever using Dollar Tree's bling wrap. I always order the big bundles from Amazon, but because it was the $10 challenge, I wanted to, you know, be correct with it. So far we are up to $5, a dollar each for the picture frames, $3, and then $2 for the bling wrap. So we are under our $10. And so, oh, and then the two glasses, which makes it the 7. Check out my scarf. This Valentine scarf came from the Dollar Tree. I was going to do a DIY with it, but I could never figure out what to do. So I was on Grandma Sandy's page listening to her and watching her video. and she was talking about the scarves, that she loves to wear scarves. And I said, I bought two. So I just kind of put it on over my dress, and I think it looks really cute. It's so Valentine's-y. Okay, so now I'm assembling. I guess you can see now what I'm making. Okay, I decided not to use the second vase because I just didn't see the need in it. And as I was building it, I decided to go in a different direction. So we're back down to $6. So I might have a chance to make something else. Now, on my top piece of glass, I trimmed down the bling wrap because I'm going to do something different with it. So now I'm just gluing it around the top portion. Oh, and my nail polish, which since the pandemic, I haven't been to get my nails done. Um, I found it at the Dollar Tree too. Dollar Tree really has a lot of things to keep you going at a nice budget. But I do wash dishes, so it did chip just a little. I should have bought their clear top coat. Okay, so I was going to wrap that wrap around there, but I decided that I didn't want that to go on there. And then plus, it's not a lot of bling wrap on the spool, so I wasn't going to have enough to do it how I wanted to. Now I'm just gluing the vase to the bottom of the glass. Like I said earlier, I would definitely recommend E6000 or some type of stronger adhesive. I used about 2 handfuls of my crystal pieces that I use on just about everything, and just put in the bottom of the vase so that way you couldn't see the glue sitting in the bottom of that vase. And with E6000, it dries pretty clear. This bowl that's going on top is from the Dollar Tree. So this is what has actually replaced that second vase that I was going to use. I wanted to use this so that way if I wanted to do a floral arrangement, if I wanted to add a candle, even if I wanted to use this in my vanity and put jewelry in it. Now, these little jewel pieces, if you watched some of my videos for my winter refresh, those candle holders that I have on my coffee table, I added these to them. And as I was working on this tiered tray, I thought it needed just a little bit of extra bling. So I really just pulled them off of my candle holders. The candle holders might have had 4 pieces each, but I'm using these just to hang down. I was trying to do something sort of like what they have at Home Goods a lot, or TJ Maxx. Their tiered trays are gorgeous. They're a little pricey, and I haven't yet bought one. So this is kind of, let's just say, my inspiration. So since we have this hung, and I'm constantly wiping because of the webs of glue, my fingerprints are on it, and I'll go back through. I like to clean with vinegar, and this is the arrangement that I added to it. So I just wanted you to see that you can put a floral arrangement. You could even do maybe like frosted pine cones. And I just put it over on my bar cart, and I think it looks cute. It's a different look for that area. I still haven't yet decided how to decorate my bar cart, but I'm working on it. So this is like my first piece that I'm putting there. And then I put it on my coffee table and I placed the candle in it. And it looks good with the candle. I could even see maybe like some rose petals or something in the bottom of it, or even some battery operated candles to go in the bottom, or even if you just want to leave it clear, you can. So this is the look, and it costs $7. Okay, well, we have $3 left, and I am the type of person, I will spend all of my money. You give me 20, I'm going in the dollar store. I'm going to spend 19 because I know I got some tax I got to pay. Okay, here are my items. I'm using another one of these salad bowls, a candle holder, and a ice bucket. This one is very simple. I'm just going to stack them all together. And once again, use the E6000. I will probably go back in and add it because it really needed it. My glue gun is pretty good, but you see I'm checking it because it just wasn't hot. So, okay, so here we go again. Just glue the base. So that's step number 2, and just add it on top. It can be a flower pot, or you could also put a candle in it if you have like a larger candle or something that you can add to it and decorate it, or either just as a statement piece. Hey, do y'all see my little sign I made? It came from the Dollar Tree. They have glitter letters. And I used the purple floral and put it in there. So I just want you to see how you can just change your items in and out, your decor from floral to candles, jewelry. It doesn't matter. And this is the finished product with everything together. I would like to thank everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Be blessed. Know that I love you. I truly, truly appreciate you. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Be blessed.